All right, guys. So in this video, we're going to cover a few different websites or places for you to purchase land. So the first one here is Facebook Marketplace. Then I'm going to hop in Zillow or the MLS and show you how to buy land there. And then I'm going to take you to our company's website where we sell land as well. And you can kind of see there's multiple ways for you to purchase property. So first, Facebook Marketplace. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app on your phone if you have one, and you go to Marketplace and you type in land or acreage, land for sale, vacant land. Those are all search terms that you put into the search bar. And then you're going to see a few listings near you or somewhere else that are going to show you land for sale. So right here, as you can see, we have this person, Janet, who is selling this waterfront piece of land in Wisconsin for 72,000. She says it's beautiful, own boat piers, gorgeous sunsets, build house looking over second largest lake in Wisconsin. So there you go. So now you can see some pictures, probably not the best pictures, but you can message this person right here, and there you go. And then you continue the conversation. Say, hey, can I go see this land? Or, it looks interesting. Or you ask for more information or any other questions you have. You can find land using Facebook Market. Okay, next. So this is going to be the state of Louisiana. You just go to Zillow.com, and this is where you're going to find a majority of land listings. So right here, we can see there's 500 properties, and we're looking at the state of Louisiana under 100,000, and we can see that there's a bunch of land. So I'm going to say, you guys can look through this and pick the right one for you. Let's say you're like, oh, I want to buy land closer to New Orleans, which is right here, and I want to buy it closer in Baton Rouge. Okay, so there you go. So now we scroll into Baton Rouge, and we can see that they have a listing right here, 34,000. And keep in mind, guys, sometimes the realtors don't post the best pictures, but that's sometimes where you can get the best deals, because if the property has just been sitting there, like, because there's no proper pictures or whatever, and it looks interesting, at least location wise, you can call the realtor. Their information is usually right here. Right here. Joe is the realtor. It says listed by this person. This is the brokerage, Remax Select, and this is their phone number. So you can either call them directly if a property looks interesting, or click contact agent, and just fill out the information and they'll call you. So that's the way you can kind of like scroll down, and you can either search for this by state, or you can even search for this by this town or the city that you live in. But keep in mind, at least search at a county level, because there might not be a lot of land in the town that you're looking. So yeah, there you go. And you can kind of scroll through here and look and see which one is the property. And remember, going forward, we're also going to cover a few more things to look for when you're buying land. So I know right now this seems like a lot of homework to look through all these listings, but pretty soon, once you start looking, and you can even have the land realtor make suggestions to you if they know a better piece of land. Right here, 8 acres for 25,000. So that is how you use Zillow. So Zillow, Land.com, LandWatch are going to be your primary sources of online ways for you to buy land. So yeah, just all it is spending some time narrowing the location, your budget, and just calling people. So with that said, guys, we're going to move on to our website, onceuponabrick.com. So our website and our business, we primarily focus on very affordable, smaller pieces of land, and we offer owner financing on all of them. So right here, you can see we have Luna County, New Mexico, which is, it's a rural county in New Mexico, and this is a half-acre lot that we have financing on for $99 a month, or you can buy it outright for $2,500. That's primarily what we focus on. We usually have multiple states. And if you are interested, you can always call us at 618-492-4628. So it's very simple. You can read about these properties. You can look at it on the map. This is something where we had 20 properties in Lander County, and now we're down to 3 or 4. We have stuff in Missouri. So yeah, this is, you just click on the listings and see what we have. But these websites are great way for you to start looking and finding